Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn how to add products to your inventory using the Dakis Unified Commerce platform. Here we are on the home screen of our My Dakis account. In the left-hand menu panel, click on the Catalog drop-down to open up the Catalog menu options. Next, let's open the Hardware drop-down menu and click on the Products menu item. This will open the Hardware product page. In the top right-hand corner of that page, there is an Add Product button. Let's click on that now to open its menu options. Next, we'll click the first option, Import Products. This will open up the Import Product modal. Let's click into the search bar field at the top of that modal. We're going to use that field to search for a product by its MPN or UPC. In this case, I'm going to type in LP37178 and hit enter. This will create a blue pill button icon indicating we added a search filter. The search results will appear under this. Let's click on Low Pro from our list of search results. With that option checked, we can now click the Import Products button at the bottom of the page to add the product, or continue selecting more products so we can add them all at once. Let's look at some other ways to search for products, like searching a specific product category under a brand. Under the search bar is another drop-down menu named Show All Products Where. Let's click that now and select Brand from the menu options. A second field will appear where we can type in the brand name. Let's type in the brand name now and then click on that option. Now we'll add a product category filter to search for a specific range of products combined with our brand filter. Let's click on the drop-down menu where we chose the brand option before, but this time we'll select product category from that list. In the value field, we'll type tripod and then click on the tripods and monopods option. This creates a combo filter of Manfrotto tripods. Now we can select whichever products we want to check. At this point, we can always click on the Import Products button to import what we have, or continue selecting more products. Let's select some more. Next, we'll try searching for a product by name. First, we hit the Clear Filters button to clear the previous filters. Next, let's click into the search bar again and write Z30 mirrorless, and then click on the Nikon dropdown in the results. Next, we'll select all the products we want to add by clicking on their checkboxes. Now let's clear the product name filter we added by hitting the Clear Filters button again. We're going to try a search with a name and two combo filters. First, we'll type the new product name, 270EX, in the search bar. Next, we'll use the filter dropdown to select brand and select Canon in the filter dropdown next to that. Now let's click on Canon in the results, but let's not click any checkboxes just yet. Instead, we'll click back on the filter dropdown, this time selecting product category and adding flashes and speedlights. Now we'll click on Canon in the results. It's filtered down to only the results that look for our search text plus our brand and product category. Let's check the Speedlight 270EX2 from those results. So far, we've selected a few different products. Next, we're going to search with a method that you'll probably prefer once you're more experienced at importing products. We'll search by the date products were added to the Dakis PIM. Next, we'll once again click on the filter dropdown and select New Products Period from the first list. In the dropdown field that opens up, we'll select Last Week as our option. Next, let's click the Canon dropdown and check the 6-foot cable interface for EOS SLR cameras checkbox. You may have noticed a toggle named Show Currently Selected Only. Let's turn that on now to see all the products we've selected so far. Looks good. Now that we're happy with our selections, we can hit the Import button to add in all those products. That's it. We're all done. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.